Hey all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Just a little sort of tech video today for right now. We're working on the pickup truck today, so the engine swap. So I've got these, and these are wire relocation, because in most applications we can use a mini starter in these Mopars. They bolt right up. They're a lot smaller than the gear reduction starters, and they're newer, so they seem to work a lot better. Anyhow, it's not why I'm here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to install these on the starter, and then so we can put it in the truck. I'm going to take the old one out, so that gives me a little bit more room for headers, and then I got to do some dinking around in there and sort of figure that stuff out. So these are going to go on like this, and you just use the old hardware to bolt them down, and then there's a cap here to help hold them into place, and then you just bolt everything together. First thing we have to do, I noticed when I was putting this together, dry running it, that this doesn't really fit over this stud. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that. I'm just going to get a drill bit and just punch that out a little bit and call it a day. And I think I got one already set up. Well, I got the drill anyhow, I don't have the bit. I was doing some mounting inside the Super Bee, getting a couple of things ready for wiring in the activation switch for the nitrous. Anyhow, so I got a step bit here, and we're just gonna hold on this with my glove, because I don't want it catching. I think it's going to take much. A little more maybe. There we go. That's enough. So the kit comes with these plastic pieces, and that's just to keep this thing from shorting out. So you slide in like this. 1, 2, and those go over top like so, and on like this. There we go. And we'll tighten those up. What do we got right here? Huh, what are the odds? Pretty good, apparently. And then there's that. 13. There. There we go. Let it snap into place the way I wanted it to. There we go. There we go. Okay. There. That's installed. So I'll just have to take the other one out, the other starter out, and then I'll install this one and hook the wires up, and then we'll have a look at the headers. We'll revisit the headers again. It's hot rod, baby. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and we'll go from there.